A lot of times, corrupt cops get away with awful and sometimes even unlawful things. But in some cases, the public fights back and sue them. Here are 5 different cases of corrupt cops who finally got sued.
Get off of the tractor now.
You don't have no warrant. Get off the tractor, dude. Get the f*** off.
Come on out of this, Get off the goddamn tractor! Taser deployed.
God damn it, get it!
Get off the tractor, now!
This is Armando Frank, a 42-year-old individual with a history of encounters with law enforcement. On the morning of October 20th, 2017, in the bustling parking lot of a Walmart in Marksville, Louisiana, deputies from the Avoyelles Parish Sheriff's Office were drawn to a figure seated atop a tractor, identified as Mr. Frank. Their interest in him was drawn by his presence on several outstanding warrants, adding tension to the encounter.
Hey, Mr. Frank. My name's Sergeant Daniel with the Avoyelles Parish Sheriff's Office. How you doing, boss? All right. Do you mind if I talk to you real quick? First of all, you got an ID so I know who I'm talking to? I can't take your word for it. I got to make sure. Alrighty, appreciate it, man. I understand you're a veteran. Both of us are, too. You mind coming on down and talk to us over here real quick?
Oh, what's me?
I need to talk to you over here real quick.
What you need?
Need you to get off the tractor, sir. You're coming off the tractor, Mr. Frank.
Get off the tractor. Get off the tractor.
Mr. Frank, I have a warrant for your arrest.
What?
I don't know what the warrant's for, but I do have a warrant for your arrest.
What we got a warrant?
It's at the sheriff's office. We can discuss it when we get there.
Let's go in.
We are going to see it. You're coming with me to see it.
Without proof of the warrant in any way, Frank decides to resist the arrest and ask more about it.
I'm not leaving this tractor.
Get off the tractor, sir.
Okay. Who sent the warrant?
I'm sorry?
Who sent the warrant?
I don't know who signed the warrant.
Then why would you have a warrant for me?
It's at the office. We can take a look at it when we get there. I'm not the one who got the warrant made.
Now what warrant would you have?
Mr. Frank, the warrant's at the office. We'll see it when we get there.
What warrant would you have? Show me one.
It's at the office. I'll show it to you when we get there. Don't have it with me.
Because the cops did not have the warrant, Frank decides he isn't going to cooperate. However, by law, the cops don't actually need the warrant physically present to arrest someone.
No, you can't arrest me.
Yes, sir, I can.
No, you need to show me a warrant.
Get off the tractor.
Show me a warrant. Step off the tractor. Sir. Okay. Step off of the tractor, I'm going to take you. Get off the tractor. Step off of the tractor. You don't have no warrant. Step off of the tractor. Show me a warrant.
Mr. Frank.
Although Frank was being uncooperative, the cop decides to make things worse by escalating things immediately.
It's confirmed?
Yeah.
No, it ain't.
Get off the tractor, Mr. Frank.
Hit me.
Get off of the tractor now.
You don't have no warrant. Get off the tractor, dude. Get the f*** off.
Come on out of this, Get off the goddamn tractor! Taser deployed.
God damn it, get it!
Get off the tractor, now!
Oh, God damn it!
2 days deployed.
No. What's his location? Follow up on time.
Step off the tractor! Get off the tractor! 10-4, we're still fighting. Get off the tractor, now!
123
Get off the tractor, Mr. Frank.
You're also in dispatch. Sure, that. What's that location? Follow up on time.
Walmart parking lot, 3 uses of taser.
Hit him with that tape and get him. Did you? Yeah, probably.
132, Sheriff's Office headed to Walmart.
Come on, Mr. Frank, move your leg. Get off the tractor. Are you on his other leg? No. I got his shoulders. Good. Stop biting us, you're making it worse. Why not? Still trying to get him off the track.
Yeah, one part of the rest.
Mansoura parking lot on the side of the building.
I got Yeah. Let me up. Let me up.
Quit resisting. Come on.
Drag him out.
Got him? Oh, Flynn, we dragging him out. Put him out. Let him go. Put him in cuffs. Go for it, 10-15.
Outside the building. Code 4.
10-15. Get him up.
Careful, I do that for you.
He's there waiting us. Yeah, he's there waiting.
Where the head goes, the bottom must follow. Gotta get that. Right here. Right here. Put him in this. No, bro. It's all right. You all right, Bubba? Oh, yeah. You all right? Y'all all right? Yeah, I'm good. Why not?
The situation took a dire turn when Frank started getting breathing issues, prompting deputies to swiftly summon medical aid. Despite their efforts and the subsequent transfer to a hospital, Frank tragically passed away. As a result of this, Frank's family sued the cops involved. Although the doctor who initially attended to this case ruled Frank's death as a homicide, the court wasn't convinced. On the 13th of June, 2022, U.S. District Court Senior Judge Deedrell dismissed the lawsuit with prejudice, meaning it cannot be filed again with the court. He ruled the officers did not use excessive force and said there was no evidence they intended to harm Frank. If you think that Frank's death at the hands of cops was crazy, wait till you hear about the next case.
You are harassing me. Please stop.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing. I don't have a weapon.
Put your hand behind your
I'm
back.
not doing nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your
Ow,
back.
you hit my head.
This is a North Salt Lake woman by the name of Greta Jensen. In December 2020, a bountiful police officer was called by Greta and her ex-husband's neighbor on the basis of a domestic violence call. The following took place when he arrived on scene.
Bound full 2 Golf 10. We're going to be on 200 east, about 600 north. Hi.
Hey.
How you doing?
Oh, good. How are you doing?
Good. We had a call about a disturbance here.
There's no disturbance here. I'm not here. We're just talking.
Okay. Well, it looks like you're.
We haven't yelled or nothing.
Looks like you're trying to talk to someone that doesn't want to talk.
Right from the start, the situation seems kind of unfavorable for Miss Jensen.
No, he had his window down. We've been talking. We had some house stuff to talk about and stuff, and we're just talking. He just keep them warm, I reckon. I don't know. I didn't ask him to get out.
Well, his window was rolled up. That's weird.
Well, you weren't here the whole time his window wasn't rolled up. He rolled it up when he turned on his heater.
But the husband himself doesn't seem too bothered by the presence of Jensen, which indicates a false call.
She's leaving and I'm going.
We're not. There's no disturbance. Somebody lied to you. I would get them for false reporting because we hadn't had any disturbance.
Okay.
Not that I know of.
So are you doing okay?
All good. I'm good. Good. I'm just going in and she's leaving. So.
Yeah, we were just talking about some stuff.
Was there somebody else here? Because I'm confused now.
I am too. We didn't hear anything. Nobody's
Maybe
yelling.
she was yelling through my window or something.
No, I was not yelling.
Talking loud, excuse me.
No, I was talking just like that. I wasn't talking loud.
What's your name?
Monty.
No, we haven't talked. I talk like this.
Are you guys ex?
Yeah.
Ex-wife?
So
Okay.
we still have some.
Who's the landlord?
Jeremy?
Any idea why he'd be calling?
Maybe she was yelling through the
No,
window.
but maybe I don't know. Monty, I was not yelling. And
Well,
you know
I had the
it.
window closed. Maybe.
No, I was talking. This is as loud as I talk, so you can call that loud. And maybe tell him
How
to come
far
out
out are
here.
you?
I ain't talking loud. We were just talking, and he hadn't even. We don't have any issue. We were just talking about.
Can I just talk to you inside later in just a
Sure.
sec?
Sure.
Excellent, thanks.
Sure.
Okay.
Greta continues to explain how she was not arguing at all and it's all a misunderstanding.
No, I was just leaving. We were just talking. That's all we were doing. We're not arguing. You're not mad.
Okay.
Nothing.
Can you take your hands out of your pockets for me?
Why?
Well,
You're cold.
can you just keep them out of your pockets, please?
No, I don't have. You don't feel? I don't have
Can you-
anything in my pockets.
Why
Don't
you,
be
Why
silly.
don't you settle down a little bit, okay? It's something I do for my
If somebody comes
safety.
up and harassing you, you would get a little like, why are you harassing me? I didn't do nothing wrong. So
Who's harassing you?
It feels like harassment.
I'm just
So,
asking you what's going on. I need you to stay here.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
I'm investigating
He told
a
you.
potential crime, okay?
There's for crying out loud.
Okay.
Now you're
I
exaggerating.
need you to settle down.
There's no.
Based on the information
You know what?
I got,
can talk,
based on the
and
information
you're
I was
not-
given.
You're not in power
Okay,
over anybody.
I'm about to put you in handcuffs if
no,
you don't
you're
stop.
not putting me in handcuffs.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
So let me tell you
I've
what
done
the call
nothing
was.
Wrong. I've done nothing.
Let me tell you what the report
I don't
was.
care what the report was. He just told you we weren't doing anything, and we are the two people involved.
Nah, normal speed's fine.
So
we got a call that you were being disorderly out in front of the house.
that's a lie.
That you were shouting at him,
No shouting.
and that you were not letting him get out of the car.
Never did. I was just standing there talking. We were just talking. He never said, move, I'm going to get out of the car. He had the heater on. He turned it off. He started the car back, and we were just talking.
Okay.
And I was leaving. We were about, I gave him a piece of mail that came to the house that he needed. And then we started talking about, we got to sell the house. And we were talking about pricing and just different things.
Okay.
We weren't arguing at all. There was no
Well, can you
argument.
understand how it would look to me when I come walking up here and his window's rolled up and you're being kind of loud?
The cop continues to explain how it all seems a little too suspicious to him.
You know what? I wasn't being kind of loud. That's a lie. You can say it all you want. Don't make it true. Your opinion
Okay.
doesn't make facts true. So
What's your name?
Greta.
What's your last
The same as his.
What's your date of birth? Okay.
There is nothing. Go get whoever said that.
Well, that's what I'm
Monty
going
just,
to.
You
As
know
soon
what?
as
Me and Monty.
Can you just stand
Listen,
still, please?
Don't tell me how to move. You're not God.
I just
Get
asked
over
you to
it.
please stand still.
I asked you to quit bossing me around. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
I asked you. I'm not bossing.
You know what you're doing, sir. You
I
know what
asked
you're
you
doing.
to stand
You
still,
know
please.
what you're doing. Stop.
Will you
Your
please?
ego is out of control.
I
Just
said
stop.
please. Will you please just settle
I'm
down?
not doing anything wrong.
We were having a perfectly
You know
fine
what?
conversation.
Yeah. Me and Monty, are we the... Did he tell you there was no problem? Did I tell you no problem?
Well, people.
And we didn't see
Yeah.
anybody.
After a couple of minutes of conversation, the cop decides to go ahead with an arrest.
So I need to speak to people separately when it's a domestic violence
There's
possible issue.
Okay, I'm going.
Stop. Stop. You're under
You know
arrest.
what?
Okay, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Put your
Don't-
hands behind your back. Put your hands
Stop
behind
it.
your back.
You're
Put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest.
I'm not doing nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop
Ow,
resisting.
Ow, you hurt.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop
Just
resisting.
Just stop right now.
Stop resisting.
Okay,
Put your hands behind your back.
I am. Stop
Put your
right
hands
now.
behind your back.
Stop right now.
Yes,
Stop.
expedite
You're
now.
out. No, you're lying.
Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put
I'm
your hands
not.
behind your back.
I didn't do nothing, sir.
Put your other hand behind
Please
your back.
stop.
Put
Please
your
don't make
other
this
hand-
something it's not.
Put your hand
I
behind
had
your
shoulder
back.
surgery. Will you stop?
Put your other hand behind
No,
your back
I
then.
didn't do nothing.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Listen, stop. Just stop right now. Stop.
Behind you.
You are harassing me. Please stop.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing. I don't have a weapon.
Put your hand behind your
I'm
back.
not doing nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind
Ow,
your
you
back.
hit my head. Please
Put
stop.
your hand behind
I'm
your
not
back.
doing nothing
Put
wrong.
your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Hey,
Put your
you
hand
know what?
behind your
I
back.
didn't do
Put your hand behind your back.
During the arrest, the cop gets a bit too carried away with his use of force.
Ow! Ow! That hurt!
Put your hand behind your back.
He's hit me! He's hit me!
On your back.
He's hit me!
Roll over.
He
Roll
just
over.
hit me in the
Roll
face!
over.
Put your
Christ!
Roll over.
I didn't do nothing!
Roll
I
over.
didn't do nothing! I did nothing! He hit me in the face!
Okay.
He hit me in the
Stop.
face!
Stop.
He hit me in the face, please!
Stop.
All I did was walk off! That's all I did!
Yeah.
That's all I did! I didn't do nothing!
Stop. We'll figure it
I
out.
did not do nothing!
Okay, we'll
He
figure it
hit me in the face like 3 times!
Figure it
You've
out.
got a lawsuit! You've got a lawsuit! You thought you cannot do that to somebody! I didn't do nothing! I did nothing! Get the medical here! Get medical here! Right now! Right now! He busted my jaw! He busted my jaw! I didn't even move my hand! I didn't do anything! On my jaw! This is not my jaw! All I did was just say I'm leaving! He has nothing! I didn't do nothing! You know what? This ain't right! This ain't right! It ain't about being calm, it's about breaking the law! It's about breaking the law! It's about you ain't gonna do nothing to me. You know you are not. And look what he just did to me.
Let's give us a sec to work through
No.
everything, okay?
You got a lawsuit, buddy. I didn't do nothing. I did not do nothing.
You gotta take this one step at a time, all right? Or
I
how are
did
those
not do
handcuffs
nothing.
feel?
Did not do anything.
Okay. How do those handcuffs
Did
feel?
not do anything. I didn't do anything. I was talking to him and asking him this question. He came up here and me and Monty were talking. We did nothing. We even told him we did
Here's
nothing.
what we're gonna do.
After this incident, Greta had a fractured jaw, as well as a bust-up shoulder. In October 2023, Jensen filed a $1 million federal lawsuit against Officer Joubert, alleging that he violated her constitutional rights by using excessive force when he arrested her. She also argued that she had committed no crime. On March 9, 2021, the Bountiful Police Department held a formal hearing concerning allegations that Joubert had violated several department policies during the arrest. Bountiful Police Chief Edward Beeler issued a written reprimand finding that Joubert striking Greta Jensen in the face was unreasonable and unnecessary. In addition to the written reprimand, Joubert was instructed to attend a remedial defensive tactics class. However, he was not fired from his job as an officer. If you think that Officer Joubert crossed his limits, wait till you see the next case.
Get on the Greg, get your hands out of your fucking buckets. Bro, don't dude, move that. Dude, put the He's got a gun, he's got a gun.
This is Mario Ortega, a 35-year-old man who found himself at the Lakeside Motel on the fateful night of July 14, 2023. Around 12:16 a.m., a deputy from the Adams County Sheriff's Office self-dispatched to the scene. Surveillance footage captured the moment when Ortega, parked outside the motel, was approached by the deputy. As Ortega stepped out of his SUV, accompanied by a woman, the deputy emerged from his patrol vehicle, drawing his gun in a tense display of authority.
Let me see your fucking hands. Let me see your hands. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm gonna tell you one time, bro. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm gonna punch you in the bro. Get on the ground. Get on the Greg, get your hands out of your fucking pockets. Bro, don't dude, move that. Dude, put the... He's got a gun. He's got a gun. 271, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! 271, suspect is down. Suspect is down. Female is walking on the second floor towards room 20 or 17. Hey, man. Go ahead and start medical code 3. Hey, man. Hey, stay with me, bro. Hey, stay with me, bro. Hey, man. Stay with me. Stay with me. Hey, bro. Stay with me. Secure that gun. Stay with me. Hey, man, stay with me. Stay with me, bro. Hey, I need you to trade out with me. I need you to trade out with me. Is it a chest seal? Yeah. Just go. Do you have a chest seal? Yep. I can't find the entrance. Right here. Right here, right here. Hey, female's walking around up here somewhere. Just keep an eye out. She's wearing all black. Come on. Gun's right there. Hey, secure this gun real quick. Okay. Hey. We're here. You're good. Locked out, hey.
Female, all black, somewhere.
She's walking around. Last time I saw her, she's walking this way up top. Okay. What I need right now. Okay. I need this entire place locked down. Okay. So start clearing these cars so medical can get in here. Okay. Get him out on the street. Are you 64? I'm right here. Yes. Okay. Get him out on the street. Okay. That way. I'm gonna go. Okay. Hey, and. Hey, where'd the gun go? I got gun. I'm gonna go. Okay. Me.
Despite efforts to save him, Ortega passed away to his wounds after being transported to a nearby hospital. In the aftermath of the tragedy, Ortega's family revealed his criminal past but mentioned his recent efforts to turn his life around in Greeley. They announced their intention to pursue legal action through a civil lawsuit. The investigation into the alleged wrongful acts of the officer are still going on. The deputy involved has been placed on administrative leave, which is standard procedure, and any changes to his status will be determined after the investigation is completed. If you think that these officers from Adams County Sheriff's Office were corrupt, wait till you see the officers involved in this case.
You cannot search my vehicle.
I'm not trying to search your vehicle.
No, don't open up my door.
Sir.
I'm not going to let you open up my door. Now, what is the problem? I'm sitting here. You guys have been sitting here long as I've been sitting here. You ain't walked up to him and asked about no beer on the ground.
This is Douglas Babbitt, a 51-year-old Oakland resident and former Army reservist. On a chilly January evening in 2015, Mr. Babbitt found himself in a troubling encounter with law enforcement outside a 7-Eleven on East 14th Street in San Leandro, California.
Did I say it was your beer?
Yeah, you asked me what's my beer.
Right.
Now, how am I going to put a beer way over here? I'm sitting over here.
Well, who does it belong to?
Why don't you ask the person who put it there? Because I don't know.
Well, do you know who put it there?
No.
Okay.
Anything else you want to ask me?
No, but why are you so aggravated?
Because you come over here asking me about a beer that's not mine.
The officer kept trying to prove in some way that the man was drunk, but the Babbitt kept denying.
Well, that's why I was asking you whose it was.
I don't know who it is. That's what I told you.
Did somebody? Well,
I don't know who put it there.
that's why I was asking you if you saw who put it there.
I'm not security here. Okay? I'm just telling you the facts.
Okay. Sir, would you do me a favor and hang up the phone, please?
No, I'm not going to hang. I want this person to hear what you're talking about.
Okay. Well, sir, you're being recorded on video.
That's fine. I want him to hear it too.
Okay. Well, who's on the phone?
My friend.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Now, I ain't did nothing wrong. I ain't did one thing wrong. So why are you bothering me? You keep on saying the beer on the car and the ground. The beer is not on my van. It's not in my van.
Right, but now, based upon your aggravated demeanor,
I'm aggravated because you're bothering me.
And again, the officers make their false claim of the man being drunk.
well, it appears to me like you're under the influence.
I'm not under the influence.
Can you just open your door
No.
for me, please?
You cannot search my vehicle.
I'm not trying to.
No,
search your
don't
vehicle.
open up my door.
Sir.
I'm not going to let you open up my door. Now, what is the problem? I'm sitting here. You guys been sitting here long as I've been sitting here. You ain't walked up to him and asked about no beer on the ground. And you can bring your breath down lines over here and I'll take it.
Copy. Go ahead with the last four.
I ain't had no alcohol.
Okay.
Last four.
Why are you so aggravated?
Because you come to ask me about a beer on the ground that's not mine.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I'm aggravated. Just simple as fact. I ain't did nothing to nobody here.
Hold on, can you step up the cover?
No, you can't come in my car. What cars do you have to search?
Sir?
What cars do you have to search?
Sir?
And then the cops decide to escalate things by trying to arrest Babbitt.
Sir.
Wait a minute. What kind of cars do you have to search? You don't have no reason to search. No, I'm not going to resist. Why are you searching? JC, you hear this?
You're under arrest right now.
Why am I under arrest? I'm not drunk.
Bring your right
I'm
hand
not
behind your back.
drunk. Wait a minute. I'm coming out. Don't twist my arm. I got body pain. My hands hurt.
All you have to do
I'm not
is
drunk.
all you have to do is bring your right hand behind your back. Bring your right hand behind your back, sir.
Get your DUI thing. I'm coming out. You hurt my hand. Wait a minute. What you guys doing? Stop resisting. Stop resisting. I'm not resisting.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground. Get down.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Sir, stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Just bring your hand behind your back.
Sir, put your hands behind your back now.
Last unit.
Bring his hand back here. We got it.
Copy 3022, office 333.
Throw him on the side.
Why is my one detained in 71?
1 out of 21.
And
36.
medical.
1 detained to start medical. Start emergency.
Hey,
136,
you all right?
off the 333.
You just passed me out.
Yeah. You're all right.
In response to the incident, Mr. Babbitt pursued legal action, filing a lawsuit against the city of San Leandro and the involved officers, alleging violations of his constitutional rights, excessive force, and false imprisonment. And Mr. Babbitt actually won the case, proving that the beer can wasn't actually his, nor was he under the influence. But even this case was not as shocking as the next one we are going to share with you.
I'll get in that truck and leave.
Well, that's fine, but then I'm going to have to arrest you.
Go ahead.
You're staying here, sir. You're not leaving.
I'm leaving.
No, you're not.
This is Clyde J. Gibline, a resident of Colby, Wisconsin, whose life changed dramatically after an encounter with Marathon County Sheriff's Deputy Troy Dealer and his police dog Leo on August 6, 2015.
Morning, sir. How are you? I see a business name on your excavator here. Are you running a business?
Why?
Are you doing work right now?
Yep.
Where are you headed to, if I might ask?
Dorchester.
And the reason I ask this is I don't see a name or a USDOT number displayed on your truck.
State trooper told me I don't need one.
You would, sir.
I'm not for hire.
Well, whether you're for hire or not, you're still considered a commercial motor vehicle. As long as you make a buck, you own a business, and you're going to a job site, you're considered a commercial motor vehicle.
What am I supposed to do?
Well, you have to obtain your USDOT number. That's first off.
I'm not going to do that.
And then,
I got to get going.
Well, you're going to have to wait until we're done with the
I'm
inspection.
not going to wait either.
Well, you'll have to.
No, I don't have to.
Yes, sir, you
Don't
do.
tell me, hey, I have to.
No.
I'll get in that truck and leave.
Well, that's fine, but then I'm going to have to arrest you.
When the officer initially threatens the man simply refuses to be arrested and claims he'll just leave.
Go ahead.
You're staying here, sir. You're not leaving.
I'm leaving.
No, you're not.
I got work to do.
No, we're going to go through this inspection. You need to settle down. That's fine. You're going to be placed under arrest.
After the cops stop the man, their dog decides to act up.
72 West on Pine Road. You're on Pine now.
After the incident, Gebeline filed a lawsuit against Deputy Dyler alleging unconstitutional use of force and seeking damages for the physical and emotional trauma he endured. The lawsuit highlighted the permanent scarring, medical expenses, and business loss suffered by Gebeline as a result of the incident. A lot of these corrupt cops definitely got what they deserve. From making unlawful demands to abusing their power, corrupt cop cases appear regularly, but unfortunately, not all get dealt with. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.